burrito. And I got rice in here, rice soup in here. So I'm gonna shred my chicken. I already got some season in there already. Shred. I have my kids in the background. I have 2 young kids. So I'm going to shred about a cup to a cup and a half at most. I'm making burrito. I'm going to be making burrito in the air fryer. But it's almost empty. Get more of this. I'm using sweet baby Ray's barbecue sauce. I'm trying to get about a tablespoon of sauce. That should be more than enough. So I'm using barbecue sauce. You can use any brand barbecue sauce, any brand of your choice. So yeah, this is what I'm using: Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Well, Caribbean jerk sauce. This one right here, Caribbean jerk sauce. I'm trying to put about a tablespoon. If you know what, if you have an idea what measurement look like, you can just follow like what I'm doing. If you're not sure, just use measuring. Just use measurement. Okay. Now I'm going to use, my hands are clean. I washed my hands already. I'm going to use my hand. You can use a fork or a spoon or spatula to mix it, or you could wear gloves to mix it. My hands is already clean, so I'm going to be using it in my hands to season it. I prefer to use just my bare hands. If you're cooking for somebody other than your family, it'll be best to use gloves or use utensil to season. Maybe a lot of people are picky about their food or how it's prepared. So, yep, this is it. I'm gonna wash my hands and I'll be right back. So now I'm going to wrap this. Wrap this. Wrap it up and put it in the air fryer. See, wrap it up and put it on my tray. So yes, I put the shredded chicken in the air fryer. I set it for 390 degrees Fahrenheit and for 5 minutes. It's already 3 minutes gone by already. Yeah. Thank you. We got boiled egg, boiled chicken in there, quinoa and rice. Very quick and easy burrito. That's what I'm gonna be making in the air fryer. You can cook it in the toaster oven or air fryer. Or oven. I don't have cheese, so I'm not gonna be using cheese. It's just gonna be rice. Rice and chicken. My chicken, I season it with 1 tablespoon of barbecue sauce with sweet baby raised barbecue sauce and Caribbean jerk sauce, and I mix it thoroughly. This is just a very quick burrito. Okay, this is done. I got some fresh spinach already washed. Make sure you always wash your vegetable in a closed packet. Washed it. Make sure you wash the vegetable. And shake it for make sure I don't get water. I have about in my bowl I had about a cup, half a cup, about a cup of vegetable in there, a cup of spinach. Now you want to wrap it. You roll it. One roll. You want to close this end of the burrito, the bottom and then the top, and then roll it again. One burrito is already made. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm just going to repeat the instruction. So close it once, roll it, close this end, and then the other end, and then roll it again. The burrito, roll it once, close the end, this end, close this other end, and roll it again. So I'm going to put this in my air fryer. I got my 3 burrito very easy for $3.85 instead. And I'm going to cook this for about 8 minutes. And I hit the start button. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, share the video, comment, and I'll show you guys the finished product when I get done. Thank you. Bye. I got it out of the air fryer. This is what it looked like. It's nice. It looked nice. Nicely cooked brown. You can see that. I don't like my burrito overcooked. Cook it in there's no need to cook the meat in the air fryer and then put it in the burrito. You can just season it, just shred the chicken, season it, and put it on the wrap and wrap it up. Once you get done putting all the ingredients in the wrap it up and put it in the air fryer. This is what it looked like. Flip around. It holding pretty well. It have no cheese in there, nothing. No cheese. It's just meat, rice, and spinach, and it's sealed really well in here. That's what it looks like. And all of them are sealed pretty well. Nicely sealed. And perfectly cooked. So this is gonna be my son's. This is what it looked like. Very yummy, very delicious. Very delicious. My son, one of these is very filling for him, so he'll eat one. I mean, not one, half of these. He'll just eat half. So, yep. And some fruits on the side. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you.